And this is Anuj Antony, you are 15 CS170. So today I'm doing my 8th video of C++, which is virtual functions and pointer. So this is my first program. So in this program, I have to write a program that reads a group of numbers from the user and places them in an array of type float. Once the numbers are stored in the array, the program should average them and print the result. So in this, we have to use the pointer notation. So now we can go to the program. So this is a program. In this program, I using a header file as IOStream and using namespace which is a standard library function. In this, I am creating a class called average1, and inside the public, some variables are there like n, average, and I, in which I analyze average is equal to 0, and the float of a is also there, which is of size 100. Now I was saying there are three virtual function, that is virtual void input, void average, and void display. So virtual is function is a member function which are used in the base class and they are redefined in the derived class. So this is another class, a derived class of average2 of public average1, which is a base class. So this is the first function input. So in this, I'm asking the user to enter the number of elements to be entered. So it will store it as n and enter the element as the for loop I is equal to 0, I up to n, I plus plus. So it will store it as a of I. Now the second function of average. So in average, just average we will give as a average is equal to a of I plus average. So the average will be calculated as average is equal to average by n. So is the third function display, and display, and it will just show the, it will just print the average at cout avg, that's it. Now we will go inside the main. Inside the main, I have created an object of average2 of a1 and a pointer of average1 as a4. So the a4 will analyze as AND of a1, which will show the address. So in this, it will show the first it will show the input a4, the arrow input, second average, and third display. Now we can see the output. So it's asking to enter the number of element to be entered. So I'm giving as 5. I enter the elements like 1, 4, 6, 2, and 3. So as you can see, the average is 3. So this is the end of the first program. Now we can move to the second program. So this is my second program, and this I have to create a base class called shape. So using this class to store two double type values and could be used to compute the area of figures. So I have to use these three classes, and I have to design a program that will accept the dimension of triangle or a rectangle, and for displaying area. So now we can see the program. So this is a program. In this program, I use the header file as IOStream. Using namespace to use a standard function, library function. And this is a class called shape. So some variables are there like width, height, and here also virtual is there. Virtual function is there. Virtual void a set value. So it's just setting the value as width is equal to a and height is equal to b. So there is another class of rectangle derived class of public shape, that is base class. So inside the public calculated area function is there, which will return this width into height. The calculation part is done by width into height. So there's the third class triangle public shape. This is a derived class and this is a base class. So here for the triangle, the area will be calculated as width into height divided by 2. So inside the main, there is an object of rectangle of rect and triangle of trg1. So it will just point the address, the shape into shape1 is equal to AND of rect and same thing of same2. So I'm setting the values which have to find the area. First one I'm giving as 6 and 5, and second one I'm giving as 7 and 5. So this will it will display the area of rectangle and area of triangle. So now we can see the output. So as you can see, the area of rectangle is 30 and area of triangle is 17 by using the formula. Using the formula for the triangle, width into height divided by 2, that is 7 into 5 divided by 2, it will come like this, and for the rectangle also 30. using the formula. So that's the end of the program. Thank you for watching this video.